I decided to make a day in the life video, and as typical Rose, this is different than a day in the life because I woke up late and am now at work. So yeah, I've got to get cooking, and yeah, here are a few snapshots from my morning. I usually bake on 2 days a week and just make cinnamon rolls, caramel rolls. My hair looks crazy because I woke up late again, jumped out of bed, jumped on my bike, biked here, and now I'm here. But yeah, just cinnamon rolls, caramel rolls, dinner buns, and sometimes donuts, sometimes cookies, sometimes muffins. Who the heck knows? But that's what we're in for today. So yeah, join me on my crazy, okay? And I'm back at my house. And I've changed. I'm gonna work out later. I currently am making myself some pork chops for breakfast because I'm out of eggs. And fun fact about me, I love pork chops. Love them. So that's what I'm making for breakfast. And yeah, at 10 I have a Zoom class. So that's so fun. It's about the Bible, obviously, not obviously for people who don't know me, but it's about the Sermon on the Mount. So last week we talked about divorce and the Sermon on the Mount. And this week is the next portion. I can't remember right now. But yeah, so I'm just gonna season these pork chops and pop them in the oven, and then probably chug some of my energy drink because boy am I tired. I considered going back to sleep when I got home from work about an hour ago, but decided that I probably shouldn't, so I didn't. Yeah, I mean, it's a good life, and I think I'm gonna have more energy later today for you. But yeah, and I read some more of The Upside of Falling. I think that's what it's called. And yeah, so far so good-ish. Yeah, so I'll put these pork chops in the oven and talk to you soon. I didn't film more of my workout because the energy drink that I drank started to hit me, and you know, I just kept going and did a 45-minute workout. My arms were shaking, and it wasn't pull day, it was push day. So like benched and did a few other things, but oh my gosh, my arms are so dead. So I'm just gonna sit down and read for a while. I'm contemplating on going back to the library today just to give back the inheritance games and maybe get the second one, because I don't know, I feel very territorial and I don't want anyone to get the second one so that I can read it as soon as possible. But I also still have 2 books, and today my copy of Tomorrow comes in the mail. So I'm really excited about that because I really want to read that. But yeah, so I'm just going to sit here and drink some water and read and let my body recover. And in an hour, I need to get ready and head to the coffee shop for my shift. And I'll be there until like 9 o'clock. And then I'll come home and probably read some more and go to sleep. But yeah, I might also finish my episode of Jury Duty. Which if you haven't seen that, you need to see that, because it's just, oh my gosh, it kills me. It makes me laugh so hard. I'm just saddened that now they can never have another season of it, because everyone's gonna know that one person, you know, like everyone in the world, maybe not everyone in the world, but most people in the world are gonna have heard about the show. And yeah. It's on Freevee on Prime Video, so go watch it. It is so funny. It is shot like The Office, and I'm not really a huge fan of The Office, but I love the show. So funny. So, yeah. So I might finish that episode, and I might just continue reading my book. I feel I'm such a good portion of the way through, but it's actually pretty good. So I'll tell you my concluding thoughts when I finish it, though. Shocker, I decided to go to the library and get the second Inheritance series book. This one's a Hawthorne Legacy, so, but they also gave me a thing with their hours, so I can keep going back whenever. I just can't. I just think I'm so funny. So on to work now. just been doing some stuff to like clean and keep up, but other than that, I've just been reading and sitting here. I'm about 4 chapters into this, and I think it's gonna be so good. I'm really excited about it. And yeah, I still have a little bit left, like half the book, I want to say, on my The Upside of Falling. And yeah, I'm enjoying that book, but I figured that I would go a little crazy and start reading this. So I did. And yeah, and I just work here until close. Tonight we have youth group kids coming in, so it's bound to be interesting. And yeah, so maybe I'll get some good footage of me making a coffee or something, because I haven't done that yet, but I've made a coffee. But yeah, you get what I'm saying. So that's what I'll be doing in the meantime of this day. Just chilling, just hanging out, reading, and doing some tasks around the place, and living my life. I just got home from work, and let me tell you, that got crazy. Okay, that youth group that came in, they didn't get crazy, but there was like, typically it's 2 people working a Wednesday night because it gets crazy. But this week only 1 youth group was coming, so my boss was just like, you know, there's only like gonna be like 8 drinks for this 1 youth group. There was like freaking 20 plus. It was chaotic, okay? And I was there alone, and then people wanted bagel sandwiches too, which takes more time. So it was just like a chaotic moment in my life, but I got through it. My friend Bethany was there to hang out with me, kind of just cheer me on a little bit. So I got through it, and now I'm standing pantsless in my living room, and I am gonna read and go to bed. And yeah, this has been the most interesting thing ever, this day in my life. I've never done one of these before. I constantly do them in my mind, and I'm constantly explaining my life for absolutely no one. So I figured maybe it's time to just do it. So I did, and I hope that you enjoy this, and I hope that maybe I get to continue making these videos. I think it could be fun for my summer. I'm obviously doing a lot. There's a lot on my plate, so you'll see a lot of like aspects of my life. But yeah, I'm just gonna read, and I'm gonna go to bed, and I'm gonna sleep in, and tomorrow go to the gym. I don't have work tomorrow. The pool opens tomorrow, so maybe I'll go to the pool with my friends. So yeah, I just hope that you enjoyed this, and I hope that you have a blessed day, and I'm praying the Lord's blessing over your life and your family, and believing that for you. So yeah, thanks guys.